Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, folks. Michael Zuber, one rental at a time, back with the one and only Adrian Hernandez. How you doing, sir?
What's going on, everybody?
Hey, I wanted to do a fourth video because you invited me to a great event in early August. But more importantly, I want to talk about the other amazing investors. I got to tell you, the reason I said yes is because the one and only Thatch Nguyen is going. Thatch is somebody I've followed forever, and I frankly just want to shake the man's hand. But you've got some other amazing people. So let's highlight the names that you have announced. I know you have some super secret ones you're not announcing yet, and maybe highlight what they're going to talk about. So tell us about this hybrid event, because it's exactly what people need to be thinking about is expanding their mindsets, other streams of income, things of that nature. What do you got?
Huge. Well, I appreciate it, Zuber. And just to let all of you guys know, this is the real estate event of 2022. This is the event you have to be at. It's right before we're going to see some major, massive changes in our economy. And it's the event that you need to be at, not just to grow your business, not just to survive throughout this time, but to really dominate and capitalize on growing your net worth, right? You've heard Zuber talk about the last few years have been about income. These next few years are going to be about net worth, and we're going to dive into that deep. The event is called Hybrid. So it's to teach real estate agents, real estate investors, wholesalers, flippers, buy and hold. If you guys own rentals, is to teach you how to build a hybrid business, right? Really being able to get out of our shell and being able to survive, dominate, and really capitalize on any season that this real estate market brings us. But nonetheless, guys, what we really want to do is we want to share with you what's helped us, what's helped these other, not just guys that have been in the business for 2 to 3 years and had some good years. They've been through multiple different recessions. They've been through multiple different corrections. They know what it's like to produce at a high level and know what it's like to not produce at a high level. And so with that, we have the one and only Thatch Nguyen, right? We got Thatch coming out. Thatch is going to be doing a great talk on how he changed things up, how he became hybrid when the last market crashed, and how he capitalized on that to eventually get to 1,000 units, guys. He's going to really, really he's going to blow the roof off the building. Just Thatch alone is worth it. And then you guys, we have the man, the myth, the legend, Mr. Zuber himself. Just Zuber and Thatch alone, we could just cap the event right there.
That would be pretty cool.
And it'll be game over, right?
Yeah.
So Zuber's going to come on, do a State of the Union talk, where the market is going, what we need to do, dive deep into these calls that you guys watch every week. Zuber's going to be diving deep on stage, guys. So we're really excited about that. And then we got Jeff Quinton for you real estate agents, right? Because I know a lot of, real estate agents are like, oh, well, it's just wholesalers or flippers or investors there. No. What we do is we have Jeff Quinton. He is the #1 agent in, I call it on the East Coast. He just dominates. He owns a super team. So some of you may have real estate teams. He owns a super real estate team. They absolutely crush it. Do an insane amount of deals, $5-6 million a year. It's just, yeah. He's a good person to learn from, but he's going to be teaching you how to grow a real estate business and diversify in this changing market. And then we have, which we have not released him yet. Some of you know who he is, the one and only Mr. Kevin Sturdivant. Kevin is from Orange County, California. He's built a massive luxury real estate company with no major backing. So it's not like a Keller Williams or a Sotheby's. This guy built a brand and he is crushing it. But what's cool is he's combined skateboarding with real estate.
Oh, wow.
And it's from skate to estate. Ooh. And what's so awesome is they list 5, 10, 15, $20 million houses. They're dealing with the #1 real estate, the #1 houses in real estate along the coast of Orange County. These people are selling it. These guys are selling it. This team is selling it. And, Kevin's just a blessing to the community, guys. So he's going to teach you how to build a luxury business, but at the same time, how to use your commissions to buy real estate. How to really grow an empire. And then we have one more guest speaker that I cannot release yet. But what I'm going to say, guys, is this individual is just being around this individual, your life changes. And I can't say who that is yet, but stay tuned. And what we're doing, guys, is we're doing something special, especially for Zubers, for everybody that's watching. What we're going to do, guys, is we're going to give a gift for all of you, and we're going to give you a promo code called Event 300. So the event is August 11th and 12th in Irvine, California at the Marriott. And we're going to give you a gift. The promo code is event300, where you can buy a ticket for only $300. You get to be in the room. If you want to upgrade, you can. You get to meet Zuber. You get to meet us backstage, go into the green room, come to the last day at the office. But for right now, if you guys just, if for some reason you just need to get into the room, event 300, $300 ticket, they'll buy you access into the room.
And it's 2 full days, right?
2 full days. And if you buy Diamond, the last day we're coming here to my office. Ooh. And we're teaching it. We're going to open up our dispo team. We're going to open up our acquisitions team. You guys get to see everything that we're doing.
Ooh, I look forward to that. I will be there all 3 days. I've already booked my tickets. I booked a vacation on the other side of it. So we are looking forward. Olivia is actually coming. So those of you ever want to meet Olivia, she'll be in the room for my day of presentation, but I'm going to guess she's out shopping on the other day.
Yeah.
Let's just be honest.
Yeah, exactly. Especially with the spectrum right there. I highly doubt. Yeah,
exactly. Adrian, thank you very much for that. Event 300 is greatly appreciated. Take care of yourself. We'll talk next week.
Appreciate you guys. See you there.